Hey, this is Brian with Window Repair Systems and Window Hardware Direct, and today I'm just going to go over how to identify the window balance you have in your tilting vinyl window. And specifically, we're going to go over the inverted block and tackles. And how you can tell that you have an inverted block and tackle is in the corner or in the jamb here, you're going to see a string that's screwed in at the top, or it's going to have a different attachment that's going to slide into a slot compared to the screw mount. Never tilt the window out, this is just a little tip here, while the window is closed. You're going to break the pivot bar, which is the metal bars that are in the corners. Lift up the window at least a couple inches, and you're going to tilt the window in with the tilt latches and allow one side of the window corner here to lift up, allowing the pivot bar to come out of the shoe here. And this is what I mean by pivot bar. And when you do that, make sure you put the window in a secure spot so it doesn't tip. And once you do that, we can see on the balance here is going to have a marking. Okay, this is where you're going to take your flathead screwdriver and you're going to put it in the shoe, in the metal cam here, and you're going to twist it to the side. And you got to be careful because there's tension here. This is what's holding the balance from shooting straight up. So before you do that, you want to make sure you have a good grip on it. And then once you unlock the shoe, you can slide the balance all the way up. Okay, now this one has a screw mount. So on top here, it's just a Phillips head screw. So all I got to do now is just unscrew that screw once there's no tension on it. And the balance is just tipping out. And all you got to do now is just twist slightly so that the shoe passes the lip here. And now it's out. So once you get it out, you need to identify which shoe that you have. Plus the attachment and the stamp that's on the balance. And this is going to tell us the length and the weight of this balance. So when identifying these pivot shoes, you're going to need the width and then the thickness. And there's about 10 different options and only 2 to 3 options of attachments here. And once you identified which balance you have in the shoe and your attachment, just give us a call or order direct from our website. We're going to have some links in the description below. And if you have any questions, you can always chat with us, email, pictures, call us. We're here to help. But in the meantime, before you get your parts in, you're going to have to put this balance back in to make sure you seal up your window. This is the same exact process you're going to do, though, if you're going to once you get your new parts, this is what you're going to do to install into your window. So you're just going to do the same process, just backwards. So you put your shoe in diagonally, twist it, rotate this up, and you want to make sure to put it in the same hole that it came out of. Or if you have the different attachment, you're just going to slide in that slot. This can be tricky to line it up, but once that's secure, you're going to take your flathead and you want to lower the balance down to pretty close to the other side. That way you can load the window back in the same. So And make sure you're careful with this. There's tension on here. Now I put one pivot bar in the shoe on one side. Sometimes you have to push it down a little bit to get it to line up. But then once you do that, you just make sure it's square. So this corner is equal to this side. And all you gotta do is just flip it back up. And it's installed. So that's how you're going to fix your vinyl window with an inverted block and tackle. If you have any questions, just feel free to call us, email, or chat with us on our website at Window Hardware Direct, and we're here to help.